So I'm trying to find a good use for this GoPro that I just got. And I came across all these seagulls that are just happily enjoying a time of rest after a day of probably scarfing a whole bunch of mackerel or whatever. These guys are coming just to hang out. They have no idea what's about to happen. Alright, so this should be fun. Oh, and Seagren's getting video of me back there. Alright, here we go. Round two? I'm really hoping I'm not going to get shit on right now. That was pretty fun. I'm out of breath. Let's check out Seagren over here. Getting a 360 panorama next to the 28th Street Lifeguard Tower.